Photo Magazine's AI-generated cover just sent shivers down my spine.
Did you see this one?
I did not.
Oh, okay. Can you guess which one?
But I do like shivers down the spine.
Yeah.
That's going to make for a hell of a clip, title, and thumbnail. When you title it, shivers down the spine or spine tingling. Spine tingling also crushes.
That's
new
delicious.
spine tingling AI images.
Yeah.
I'm clicking, dude.
All right.
All right, so I have to guess which one is real and which one is fake here.
Yeah.
You know what? Since I feel like it's a trick question.
You think they're both?
No. All right, I'm going to say that the left one is fake and the right one is real, but I know it's the other way around.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so because the right one looks awesome. This looks amazing.
This was done by using Midjourney.
It's amazing. It's so good. This guy doesn't exist.
No.
The reason this was a good trick question is because he's solo in his image.
Right.
Whereas in the other image, you have the random guy back there, which is obviously a creative decision, but you can see how humans do AI-like things sometimes. Like the guy with the cigarette is key for me in that other photo, why that's an interesting photo. But that felt like an AI thing to do, to frame him that way in the bottom corner like that.
Yeah. They need to show the fingers.
Dead giveaway.
Yeah, that's it.
Then you know for sure. Fingers or multiple people. Sometimes the interaction of multiple people, they have too many similarities or something.
Oh, right, yeah.
I don't know if you've seen that. When we did the Unsettling party photos, and then it would be like the people almost look like twins, sort of.
Yeah.
And you were like, something is just slightly off here. Everybody had this very similar mouth and teeth. You know what I'm saying? And like extra teeth. So fingers and teeth. And
small arms. Very skinny.
Yeah, skinny as well. Are there fat people in these image generations? I guess so. We just have to ask for it. If you don't ask, if you just ask for person, you're getting thin.
Right.
By default. And you're getting shine.
Oh.
And you're terrified. Like they look the same. Like those three people look the same, but I don't know. I can't pinpoint. There's obviously some differences. But like I guess it's subtle. The differences are subtle, and they look to share the same DNA, the same artificial biological makeup.
Yeah, yeah. And the twins.
Yeah, those guys, these guys, all of them. Look at these hairstyles here. What's going on? Where do these people exist?
The fingers.
Where do these people exist? Tiny cups, little shot-like cups. Anyway, it's getting better. Where it's over. Like it's obviously over. Look at that image. It's incredible. Like, do I need to?
There are subtle things. Maybe like these buttons are a little off.
Yeah, but that's just our future reality, Will. Our future reality is things being weirdly and subtly off, and us just putting up with it, and then us forgetting that that's the case because we're so used to exposure to it that we stop even asking the question. Oh God. Yeah, that's right.